Updating your billing profile on OnDeck is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your OnDeck account. Visit the OnDeck website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Billing section in the main menu. Click on this option to access your billing settings. Step 3. Update your billing information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SSROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this to save your changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. To ensure your updates were successful, log out and then log back into your account. Check the billing settings again to verify that your new information is displayed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing profile up to date on OnDeck. Regularly checking your information can help prevent any payment issues in the future.